So students, here are some COVID-19 appropriate behavior. So here there are some instructions regarding your COVID-19. So the instructions are: wear masks, follow physical distancing, maintain hand hygiene. So these all instructions you have to follow. First is wear mask properly. So you all have to wear your mask properly. Second, stay at least 6 feet from others. Third, wash your hands frequently, always with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember to not touch your face. Do not share food or drinks with others. So these are your instructions regarding COVID-19.
Hello students, in this video we are going to continue the revision of chapter rational numbers. So the question number 1 is arrange the following in descending order. So now here we can see that in question number 1 we have been given the rational numbers and we have been asked to arrange them in descending order. So first we have to see that all the rational numbers here out of 4, 3 are negative. So here 4 upon 9 is a positive rational number, minus 5 upon 6 is a negative rational number, minus 7 upon minus 12. This we can change into positive. Why? Because the numerator is minus and denominator is minus. So minus minus will get cancelled. So here, and this is negative 11 upon minus 24. So the rational numbers will be 4 upon 9, minus 5 upon 6, 7 upon 12 and 11 upon minus 24. So now here we are going to take the LCM of the denominators 9, 6, 12 and 24. So the LCM of 9, 6, 12 and 24 is 72. So the LCM of this denominator is 72. So now denominator is 72. We have to make the denominator. So here we have to multiply by 8. Here also 8. It is 6. Here we have to multiply by 12. Here it is 12. Here we have to multiply by 6. Here also 6. Here it is 24. So here we have to multiply by 3. And here also 3. So when you multiply it, you will get 4 8 are 32 upon 72. This gives you minus 60 upon 72. This gives you 42 upon 72. And this gives you 33 upon minus 72. So here, now out of 4, 2 are negative. So we have to arrange in descending order. So descending order means from greater to smaller. So now here, first we will see the positive. And positive is 32 upon 72 and 42 upon 72. So the greater will be 42 upon 72. So 42 upon 72 is greater than 32 upon 72 and 32 upon 72 will be greater than, this is minus 60 and this is minus 33. So the smaller negative will become greater negative. So this we can write it as minus 33 upon 72 and this will be greater than minus 60 upon 72. So this we have arranged in descending order. Now we have to put the original one. So 32, this is 42. So 42 is coming from 7 upon 12. 7 upon 12 is greater than 32 is coming from 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 is greater than minus 33 is coming from here. So this is greater than 11 upon minus 24 and this is greater than, last is minus 60, that will be minus 5 upon 6. So in this way we can arrange in descending order. Now students, the question number 2 is find the sum. So here we can see that we have to add the rational numbers. But here this is your negative rational number and this is also your negative rational number, and remember that no two signs will come together. So this we can write it as 31 upon minus 4 plus minus 5 upon 8. Now we can add or subtract. So here first we will see the denominators. The denominators are 4 and 8. So you have to take a LCM, then only we can solve the rational numbers. So first to take a LCM of 4 and 8. LCM of 4 and 8 will be 8. So here you have to multiply by 2, and here also 2. Here you have to multiply by 1. Here also 1. This gives you minus 62 upon 8, because LCM will come as 8, minus this gives you minus 5, and minus minus becomes plus, but you will get the answer in negative minus 67 upon 8, and in this way we can add the rational numbers. Now second part. In second part, the first rational number is minus 7 upon 27 plus 11 upon 18. Again we have to add the rational numbers. First we will see the denominators 27 and 18. They are not same. So to make the same, we have to take LCM. LCM of 27 and 18 it will be 54. LCM of 27 and 18 is 54. So the LCM is 54. Now we have to multiply 27 by 2, and this also by 2. Here we have to multiply by 3, and here also 3. So when you multiply minus 7 by 2, you will get minus 14 upon, you will get 54. 11 3 are 33 plus 33. This is negative minus 14, and this is plus 33. This is plus, this is negative minus. So plus minus minus, but the answer will come in greater. That is minus 9 plus 19 upon 54, because greater is in plus, that's why the answer will come in plus 19 upon 54. So in this way we can add the rational numbers. Question number 3 is simplify. So here we have to simplify the rational numbers. That means we have to solve them. So here it is minus 5 upon 16 plus 7 upon 24. To simplify them, you have to make the denominator same. Here the denominators are not same. So first step is we have to take a LCM of 16 and 24. So LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. So the LCM of 16 and 24 is 48. So now we have to make the denominators 48. So here you have to multiply by 3. Here 3. Here you have to multiply by 24 by 2. This also 2. This gives you minus 15 upon 48. And this gives you plus 14. So minus 15 plus 14 gives you minus 1 upon 48. So in this way we can simplify the rational number. The second part is, it is minus 43 upon 34 plus minus 12 upon 70. So here again we have to take a LCM of the denominators 34 and 17. So LCM of 34 and 17 is 34. So now we have to multiply the denominators to make it 34. So here it is 34 only. Now we have to multiply by 1, and here it will get multiplied by 2. This gives you minus 43. This gives you plus minus 12 2 is 24, and this gives you, this will come as 34. Now minus plus, it will give you 67 minus 67 upon 34. So in this way we can simplify the rational numbers. Question number 4 is, subtract the first rational number from the second in each of the following. So here in question we have been asked that we have to subtract the first rational number from the second. So that means this second rational number will come first, and from this rational number we have to subtract the first one, and first one is 2 upon minus 3. This is in negative, so we will keep this in bracket. Why we are keeping this in bracket? Because this rational number is negative and we have to subtract. So if we have to subtract and it is in negative, so first put them in bracket. So when you open the bracket, minus 4.7 minus minus, open the bracket, it will become plus 2 upon 3. Now here to solve this, we have to take a LCM. LCM of 7 and 3. LCM of 7 and 3 will be 21. So here you have to multiply by 3 and here you have to multiply by 7. So LCM will come as 21. In the minus 4 multiplied by 3 gives you minus 12 plus 2 into 7 gives you 14. So plus 14 is greater than minus 12. So it will come as plus minus minus, but it will come in plus 2 upon 21, and 2 upon 21 is your answer. So in this way we can subtract. Now the second part, the first rational number is 5.9 and second is minus 2. So whenever there is an integer, we have to make them a rational number. Why? How we can make a rational number, integer into a rational number? By putting 1 in the denominator. So that means the second will come first, like minus 2 upon 1, and from this we have to subtract the first, minus 5 upon 9. So now we have to subtract. First we take a LCM. The denominator is 1 and 9, so LCM will be 9. So here you have to multiply by 9 and here you have to multiply by 1. So LCM will come as 9. Minus 2 into 9 gives you minus 18. Minus 5 into 1 gives you minus 5. So minus 18 minus 5 gives you minus 23 upon 9. So in this way we can subtract a rational number from an integer by putting 1 in the denominator to make a rational number. Now students, question number 5 is find the product, and the product means we have to multiply the rational numbers. So first part is minus 8 upon 25, you have to multiply it by minus 5 upon 16. So here in multiply we can do the cross cancellation, and 8 and 16 both of them are coming in the table of 8. So 8 minus 1 ja, because it is negative, it will come in negative. 8 2 ja, minus 5 and 25 both of them will come in the table of 5. 5 minus 1 ja and 5 5 ja. So now we can't cancel anything. So now we have to make multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Minus 1 into minus 1 gives you 1. Minus minus plus, and denominator 5 2 ja 10. So answer will be 1 upon 10. So now the second part is first rational number is 6 upon 7 multiplied by minus 49 upon 36. Again we can cancel in the cross cancellation. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 minus 7 ja 49, and 6 and 36 both of them coming in the table of 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36. Now we can multiply the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. 1 into minus 7 gives you minus 7, and 1 into 6 gives you 1 6 ja 6. So that will become as minus 7 upon 6, and this is your answer. So in this way we can find the product. So students, now question number 6 is divide of rational numbers. So first is minus 6 divided by bracket minus 8 upon 70. Here we can see that minus 6 is an integer. We can change minus 6 as a rational number by putting 1 in the denominator. So this is divide. When you open the bracket, it will become minus 8 upon 70. Now in divide, we can't divide the rational numbers. So to solve this, we are going to change the sign of divide into multiply. And when we change the sign of divide into multiply, the next rational number will become reciprocal. That will become minus 17 upon 8. Now minus 6 upon 1 multiplied by minus 17 upon 8. Here we can do any cross cancellation. Yes, 8 and 6. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja. Now we can't cancel anything. So minus into minus plus 3 into 17 gives you 51 upon 4, and 51 upon 4 is your answer. Now the second part is
10 upon 3 divided by minus 35 upon 12. So here again we have to divide the rational numbers. So here 10 upon 3 divide sign will become multiply, and next rational number will become reciprocal. You can write it as minus 12 upon 35. So this is minus 12 upon 35. Any cross cancellation? Yes. 3 1 is 3, 3 minus 4 ja, because here it is minus, so it will become as minus 4. So 10 35, both of them are coming in the table of 5. 5 2 ja, 5 7 ja. So anything cancellation? No. Now we can multiply the numerator with numerator. 2 into minus 4 gives you minus 8 upon 7. So minus 8 upon 7 is your answer. So students, the questions that I have done in a revision in this video, I am going to hand over you the worksheet based on same questions. Hope you all have understood and complete the work. Thank you.